Thanks for watching AM Northwest this morning. If your sagging neck or floppy arms are dragging you down, a LipoLift could be the answer for both. Here to tell us more, we welcome back from aesthetic medicine, Dr. Jerry Darm, and his patient, Abby Craig. Welcome, Abby. Good to see you again, doctor.
Nice to see you.
So the LipoLift is something that is amazing, and it can work on so many different body parts.
Really unique procedure. We're really the only ones in the Northwest and even the West Coast doing this procedure, actually. And it's a laser that goes under the skin, melts the fat, and it tightens the skin. But the interesting thing is that the skin afterwards just sort of sticks to the muscle. So we've seen patients out at 7 years and 9 years where there's no sagging afterwards.
Still that far off.
Versus surgery where you can't actually get sagging within a few years.
Despite having surgery, this stays.
Yes, it stays.
Right.
It stays, so it's permanent.
Abby, why did you decide that you needed surgery? What was it about, decided you needed the lift?
Well, it sounds pretty drastic. I really just want to hold and make sure that I still look like me and feel good.
Sure.
About
Did you look
myself.
in the mirror one day or see a picture and you thought, oh, I don't like that chin, or?
You know what it is? I have beautiful women in my family, but I can see as age progresses that they were kind of developing what would stay here in these jowls, and I was like, I would rather enjoy this my whole life instead of putting up with it.
So we're looking at before and the after looks amazing. How happy are you with the result now?
Oh, it's incredible. It's been, I don't even know, a couple of years.
Yeah.
I have gained weight and lost weight in between, and it
stays the same. Mm-hmm. You must love it when you see your profile now in pictures.
Well, I still hate my profile, but it's yeah, no, I do. The most impressive thing about it to me was it was so instantaneous.
Yeah.
Like as soon as the next couple of days after, it was like take bandage off and
it's perfect. And no pain, no downtime, really?
Couple days? I don't know. It seems like a lifetime ago.
Yeah, Dr. Darm?
Very little,
yeah.
Very little. Usually you do it on a Friday, you're back to work on a Monday. Even with other areas, even with the abs, flanks, thighs and so on, it's back to work on a Monday. So there's not much pain.
Let's talk about the arms, because that's something, despite how much you work out, you can't, as we women, as we get older, we're going to have those, those flappy arms.
One of my favorite sayings is that 2 hours with us is worth 2,000 hours in the gym, basically. And we see it over and over. People try to get that little piece, that little
because look at this.
area.
This looks great.
Yeah. And that's really typical of the cases that we see. So people work out so hard and they're trying to get that last little bit. There's only a few ounces of fat in there.
Right.
But it's disfiguring. And as you get older and hormones change, then your weight distribution changes as well. And so no matter how much you work out, sometimes you can't get rid of that last little area.
And how did you feel about it, Abby?
After having done?
Yeah.
It was just a huge relief just to...
Like, did you feel like, oh, I can wave now?
Yeah,
And do clothes fit better?
Yeah, what's really funny about it is I'd always been an athlete, and I'd always had rather thin arms, and then just in the couple of years after kids, I was like, what's this? What's going on here? And so I just had it fixed, and
you must feel more confident now.
Well, confidence has been a big issue for me.
Yeah. So you like the results? Clearly.
I do, and I really think that it's important for women to do what
makes them feel
better.
Sure.
Yeah.
So, Dr. Darm, we talk about using it on the neck, which is amazing results, the arms, and you say we can use it elsewhere, too.
The tummy, and even a lot of times, and this is really interesting, but, a patient will have an overhang where they would normally do a tummy tuck.
Right.
And we can get that overhang to disappear as well. With a minimally invasive procedure.
I love that. All right, we want to tell folks, if you'd like to find out more, you can contact Aesthetic Medicine in Lake Oswego. The number is 503-697-9777. We'll put the information for you on our website at k2.com.